LS2 International Convention 2026 dito po sa Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia. It is a first for me in the sense that I'm usually used to mga media launches. Ito kasi, kasama po natin yung mga importers, yung mga dealers kung saan natin nakukuha yung mga LS2 gear natin. Nakakatuwa in the sense na nakakakita tayo ng ibang POV. We get to see yung direction ng kumpanya, yung performance nila last year, kung saan sila papunta rin, at yung mga ilalabas nila.
She gonna teach me how to swim.
So what I have seen is that it's gonna be a pretty good next few months up to early 2027 kasi meron tayong mga bagong helmets.
Shock me like an electric eel. Baby girl, turn me on with your electric feel. I said,
Yung mga apparel din, we're talking about jackets, pants, mga gloves, mga shoes. Meron din sila mga bagong line for this year and early 2027. Through the years naman, nakikita natin na unti-unti naglalabas na sila ng mga apparels. They started out, of course, purely helmets. And then, kung ano nga yung approach nila sa quality control nila sa helmets, in-apply din nila sa mga apparel nila. And with what I've seen here so far, yung mga ibang palabas na, maganda naman yung quality nila. It's pretty good. Marami silang mga technological advances na ipinakita na hindi lang siya basta jacket, di ba? Maraming mga practical nooks and crannies sa mga apparel nila. Apart from that, meron din sila mga motorcycle carrier bags, mga knapsack, mga belt bag, mga tank bag, all that good stuff. Waterproof, marami din mga innovations na ginawa nila doon.
plug it in and change the world. You're my electric girl.
So lahat ito lalabas soon, in a few weeks perhaps. Yung iba nandyan na, ilo-launch na lang ng Moto Market, Moto World Philippines. Throughout the months leading to early part of 2027, tuloy-tuloy ang labas ng mga bagong products ng LS2. This is of course very exciting stuff. This is Zach for Makina Stuff here in Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia. Ciao!
I said, ooh.